Well, thank you very much, Arami Obusiku. I am coming to you from Paniel Beach here in Entebbe Municipality, Wakiso District, where the screening exercise for the travelers at Entebbe International Airport are being handled here at the facility. And we know very well that according to the Ministry of Health, there was supposed to be mandatory screening testing of all the travelers that are going out of the country and those coming in on Friday, but this was halted, of course, for 2 weeks pending more other benchmark. And as I speak this time, the members of parliament are here into this area to benchmark and see how this process is going to be handled. Actually, if you can see in my background, these are some of the travelers who have been here and are waiting for their results. But of course, as the members of parliament have been here, some concerns have been raised from these people actually on how the process is moving. There were those who were submitting to the members that they have been here for a long time. Some came here as early as 7 in the AM and are still here. Their samples were picked, but they have not been able to get the results. But for a meantime, let me just talk to one or two of them to just tell us how they've been here waiting and whether they think the process is done in the way they expect. Let me njogereko nono mukyala tubulire nyabo kwaniriza ku NTV bakwitani.
Manye gange nze Margaret Nakyondwa.
Wazze wano saawa meka bakukozeeko?
Ennyonyi yatulese ku saawa emu. Abasinga ndooza abali wano twajjidde mu kata. Ne tutandika process nga bw'erimu kutambula paka kati tukyali wano.
I am called Florence Katula. I'm in medical and I work in Uganda. When we are going to fly, they tell us PCR test takes 12 hours. When we are coming back to the country, we are tested, first of all, from where we're coming from. We are vaccinated, and they're telling us that PCR is taking 4 hours. Now my question is one, is the science changing in Uganda?
While traveling to Uganda, having done a PCR test in Kenya, we are then required to have a PCR test on arrival. I don't know why that is the case, if there is trust in the test that has been done in the country of origin.
Mutwala obudde bungi okutuwaliza tisizaffe kati bwe munaagenda okukebera ennyonyi yonna kinaatwala ki? Nze natuuse wano ssaawa emu banzigyeko wano results ku ssaawa 2 banzigyeko sample ssaawa 2 results zaakajja kati nga mwambuka awo kati olwo ennyonyi ennamba bw'enejja kigenda kuba kitya? Tukoowa otula mu nnyonyi for 11 hours tonnawummula n'ojja wano ono n'akuzza eno n'akuzza eri.
Many concerns have been well submitted to the members of parliament who are still also making a tour around, also keeping tabs on ground to see what transpires so that we can let our audience know. Back to in the studio, Rame Usiku.
Shama Kapil, Anthony Raymond,